We have recently added something so beautiful and majestic to our luxury tiara and headband collection, and today I wanted to bring you this magnificent design made using only the finest 5A highest quality cubic zirconia, which are really expensive but give this magnificent headband that extraordinary sparkle that you just wouldn't see in a lot of the cheap tiaras. So this is something truly special and exquisite, and we also platinum plate our tiaras and headbands, which makes them much more durable and less prone to tarnishing. So they are, you can keep them for much more longer, enjoy them, even pass them down through your generations from your mom to your daughter, and really enjoy these gorgeous designs and keep it within the family. Something truly special.